we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
PewDiePie. The red diamond play button is a special award by YouTube for content creators who get 100 million subscribers. The only two YouTube channels that have received the award are PewDiePie and T-Series. It is made of dark glass with a piece in the center made of red molten glass.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.